Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this glasses. Okay, very simple. We usually will use this one. Okay, in here we will use a system cabinet. Okay, we will use system cabinet. Okay, we will use this one super board lah. Okay, just use super board, cut the size, then should be fine. Okay, so I use super board. Okay, so first we change the size let's say 2000 and 3000. Okay, this board I move it in 0. Okay, then we are gonna use B board selection, or click on it, right click on it, or then we change panel point edit. Okay, first because the mirror the glass is something like this, here to here, then come up, so we will cut something here, or just cut the size. Okay, around here we will come here, then cut the size, come up again. Okay, so simply just delete the boxes, the panel first, then we draw. Okay, draw it, click on it. Okay, draw until I think roughly here I give it 12, or size 12. Okay, this one I give it here. This one I give it 12, 24. 24 also 2400 here, and okay, roughly here this one 2004. Okay, about the size you may need to cut yourself the size. Okay, so I click here, then this one I come up again 1002, then here I come up again. Okay, so now we have the board. Okay, then you click save. Okay, then return. We have the board already. Then we can rotate it first. Okay, come down, rotate it. This one maybe 90 degrees. Okay, at the bottom, so I select it, move up to 2000. Okay, press Z, move it up. Okay, go inside. Z, move it up. Okay, so after that you just change the material only lah, very simple. Or you may just right click, click on the panel here, material, you just choose the glass material here, or glass material, clear glass maybe. So you can have your own glass. Okay, the railing glass, or glass railing staircase like this. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.